Hello everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to our cooking channel, Mother's Tasty Food. Dear friends, we brought you a new style easy and delicious loving recipe, carrot Patishapta. Enjoy cooking with new style best recipe. Perfect ingredients: 2 cup of rice flour. Quick recipe: a cup of all-purpose flour, or MAYADA. 1 cup of sugar. 2 cup of milk. Eating is a necessity, but cooking is an art. Enjoy cooking. Please, comment, like or dislike our recipe. A cup of water. Your suggestions are highly valuable. 1 cup of sugar. Mix very well. Very tasty. 50 grams of cashew nuts or BADAM, 50 grams of clarified butter, or GHEE, 10 pieces of cardamom, or ILAAYACHEE. 1 cup of sugar. 2 cup of milk. Easy cooking and delicious dish. Chopped well. Dear friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Start and enjoy cooking. 2 tablespoons of ghee. This delicious and easy cooking will give you a sweet soft carrot Patishapta with nice smell. 10 pieces of cardamom, or ILAAYACHEE. Simple and super. You are hungry again? Just 5 minutes complete recipe, then enjoy and go to cooking. Mix well. 2 cup of milk. Delicious recipe with nice smell. Low flame. 5 minutes. Mix very well. 3 minutes medium flame. 1 cup of sugar. 50 grams of cashew nuts or BADAM. Ready, very tasty prime item of Patishapta. Simple and super. Clarified butter, or GHEE, as needed. Start, finale making of Patishapta. All flour paste. Very tasty prime item of Patishapta. Please, comment, like or dislike our recipe. Your suggestions are highly valuable. Yes, every good cooking is healthy and cheap. Very tasty, easy and quick recipe. Do you like our channel? Yes, please subscribe. Soft and delicious. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching our video. Dear friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Dear friends, thanks and regards. We are going to meet up in my next video. Till then, bye bye.